Pose for the camera. Pose for the camera. Go ahead.
She had a boyfriend, a French Algerian.
Pose
They
for
were
the
very much in
camera.
love. He was
Pose
kidnapped.
for the camera, doodle.
And kidnapped her. Threatening to kill him unless she cooperated. We should have picked up on it, but sometimes we're so focused on our enemies.
She know that camera, boy.
We
Look
forget
at
to
her.
watch our friends. How are you doing?
She left herself
What
on.
is- Ooh, ooh.
Must have known her. Face for
You had to go on
This is
first.
Kiers Mathis.
On first, Doodle. Doodle, it's on first. But you did roll
You don't
over.
trust anyone, do you, James?
You did roll over. Yeah. You want to try again?
Get back as soon as
Huh?
you can. We need
You
you.
want to? Is it exhausting? Is it exhausting?
It's within your
Yeah.
time.
Well, let's try again.
Job's done.
At first you don't succeed.
James, you ever ask yourself why you were killed that night? Isn't it obvious? She made a deal to spare your life in exchange for money. I'm sure she hoped they would let her live. But she must have known she was going to her death.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! She turned over. She turned over. Yay! She turned over. She turned over. She turned over. Yeah. Got dirty nose too. Yep.
Hey. Baby.
Hey, grandmommy's girl. Hey, what you fussing about? What you fussing about? Huh? Say. What you fussing about? Let's clean your nose. Let's clean your nose. Whoa, nose clean. Nose clean. Nose clean. Yeah, nose clean. Yeah. He doesn't.
Hello?
Mr. White, we need to talk.
Who is this?
Is that good? Is that good? Yeah. Okay. Kick, Kaylin, kick. Kick, Kaylin, kick. You see Poppy, don't you? Yeah. You see your Poppy.
The name's Bond.
She see herself right now.
Oh.
What do you get when you partner the world's most notorious white-collar criminal with the FBI's best agent?
Telling the truth. Did it hurt?